Hello dear children, welcome once again to your online EBS class. Here we are discussing our second chapter, things we get from nature. We already discussed about the things which we get from plants and animals. In our previous class we have discussed about rocks and formation of soil. Let us memorize what all things we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, children, now you all know rocks are made up of minerals. Some rocks are very hard while some others are not so hard. Can you tell some examples for hard rocks? Yes, diamond,
granite, etc.
Then what about soft rocks? Yes, chalk, which we use to write on the board. Chalk is a soft rock. Very good. Then children, we use some rocks to construct buildings. Please name them. Yes, we use limestone, granite, marble to construct buildings. We also use cement. Cement is the building material. Cement is made from limestone. Limestone is a type of rock. Okay. So we also get different types of metals from rocks. Can you tell some examples for metals? Iron, silver, gold, aluminium, etc. are different types of metals. Okay. And we also discussed about the formation of soil. Soil is formed from rocks. Changes in weather along with the action of water, sunlight and wind broke the rocks into small pieces. Children, soil from different places have different colors. Some are light brown color and some are dark brown and some are red in color. They are different because they come from different rocks. Children, today we are going to discuss about three types of soil. The first type is known as clay soil, the second type is sandy soil and the third type is loamy soil. Clay soil, clay soil. The second type is sandy soil and the third type is loamy soil. These are the three types of soils. Which are they? Yes, clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Let's discuss about each type of soil in detail. Okay, first type of soil is clay soil. What is the spelling of clay soil? C-L-A-Y-E-Y, clay soil. This type of soil is very soft and can be molded easily. It contains tiny particles and it is very smooth to touch. Most of the plants cannot grow in this soil.
We can make different types of clay pots using clay soil.
Okay, so this is the characteristic of clay soil. Then the second type of soil is sandy soil. What is the spelling of sandy soil? S-A-N-D-Y, sandy soil. It contains a lot of sand.
It feels loose and rough.
This type of soil is common in beaches, places like beaches. Very few plants can grow in this sandy soil. Okay, so this is the characteristics of sandy soil. And the last type of soil is, yes, loamy soil. What is the spelling of loamy soil? L-O-A-M-Y, loamy soil. This soil has both clay and sand. And it also has humus in it. What is humus? Rotted plants and animals are known as humus. Most plants can grow well in this soil. These are the three types of soils. Children, we have already discussed about the formation of soil and types of soils. Next, we are going to discuss about the importance of soil. As you all know, plants get water and minerals from the soil. So, soil is necessary
for growing crops.
That is our first point. Then, we use soil or materials from soil to make pots, bricks, tiles, etc. And we use
Things from soil to build our houses.
and some animals like earthworms, rabbits, moles make burrows to live in the soil. So all these are the uses of soil. Next, we are going to discuss about fuels. Can you name some fuels? Yes, coal, petrol are important fuels we get from the earth.
Fuels. Coal and petroleum are important fuels that we get from the earth. Coal is obtained from deep inside the earth. It is used for cooking and heating houses. It is also used to run machines in factories and to make electricity. Petroleum is also obtained from deep inside the earth. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, and so on are obtained from petroleum. Petrol and diesel are used to run vehicles and machines. Plastics are made from petroleum. Plastics are used to make clothes, ropes, toys, bags, and so on. Unlike the materials obtained from plants and animals, plastic do not rot. Hence, they last for a long time. But we should not use too many plastic things. This is because when we throw them away, they stay in the soil and pollute it.
We use many things made from plastic, like bags, toys, containers, and furniture. These are very convenient to use, as they last for a very long time. But there is a danger in using things made from plastic. Plastic does not rot and mix with the soil. Plastic remains as it is in the soil for very long. It is therefore very difficult to dispose of. Think, if we keep using and throwing away plastic, what will happen to our earth?
Remember one thing, you are not supposed to throw plastic materials to the soil because unlike the materials which we get from plants and animals, plastic do not rot. It remains in the soil for long years. It can pollute the soil. Okay. So children, we have completed our second chapter also. Today we have discussed 3 types of soils, importance of soil, and also about fuels. Hope all of you have understood this topic very well. Read the lesson and study the notes as usual. You can clear your doubt during live session. Children, be regular in your studies. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.